Now here at home, a clean-up operation is continuing in Killarney, County Kerry after flash flooding in the town overnight. Well, our reporter Barry Gallagher is there, and Barry, I'm sure many people are counting the cost of this flooding. Can you take us through what's been happening there today?
Yeah, that I can, Tommy. You join me here at the Glen Eagle Hotel, one of a number of businesses affected here in Killarney following those flash floods, where clean-up is actually still underway. Now, Kerry County Council are still assessing the damage to homes and businesses, and they are offering assistance where they can. Looking ahead, they're also closely monitoring weather forecasts. They're expecting around 30 millimetres of rain over the weekend. That doesn't seem to worry them as of yet, but emergency services and sandbags are available if issues arise. Now, we also heard the Minister for Children, Disability and Equality, Norma Foley, say today that she has spoken to cabinet members to ensure those worst affected receive support. That's businesses and homeowners. And also this just in, Tommy, officials from the Department of Enterprise are engaging with the Department of Housing and Kerry County Council to understand the full impact of this flooding. Now, once the extent of the damage to uninsured businesses has been determined, a decision will be taken as to whether they will open a flood relief scheme, which can provide up to €30,000 towards the cost of returning affected organisations to their pre-flood conditions. So we'll just have to wait and see what their decision is there. Now, I spoke to businesses in Killarney earlier today. 57 millimetres of rain pummelling Killarney over 4 hours last night, flooding homes and businesses and leaving roads impassable. This afternoon, clean-up in Killarney continues.
It was frightening because it happened so suddenly, happened very fast, and the water came in the door, underneath the door when we closed the door.
I noticed there was dripping from the ceiling. Went out to the front and it was just gushing in, and outside it was just, cars were swerving, and it was like you were underwater. It was crazy. And then it stopped.
Just after 6 o'clock, Tom happened to be going into the back first to check other stuff, and the next thing the water started coming down through the ceiling, down the wall and on the floor. So we were lucky it didn't happen in the middle of the night when we were closed, because if it did, all the main floor would have been destroyed.
I couldn't even get into the town to see the damage and the flood that was in my premises, so it was full on. Yeah, it was quite sudden. It was unnerving, like. Yeah.
Described as the worst flooding Killarney has seen in a lifetime, Kerry County Council says an exceptionally dry summer was a factor in its severity, requiring a swift response and a community effort.
Killarney is open for business, which is great to see. There was a huge sense of a mehel spirit here last night, where everybody came out working together. I suppose the message to people is no matter what the house looks like today, you are not on your own.
Looking ahead, Kerry County Council say that rainfall this weekend will be closely monitored. Crews will be on standby and sandbags will be available should any issue arise. Barry Gallagher, RT News in Killarney, County Kerry.